morning. It is Tuesday, February 4th. And I need my coffee this morning. Carissa, what are you doing? Playing your game? What are you doing? Playing your game too. Playing games all day. I am cooking. I'm multitasking. I am cooking and I am starting our cloth diaper wash. You can help when it's your turn. I told you. Go. No. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. So I'm browning up the hamburger and onions and celery. And we are having Sloppy Joe tater nugget casserole. That is not you. You like hamburger, you like tater tots. So that's what we're having. And starting cloth diapers. Jocelyn, what you doing? Huh? What? You cooking? You cooking all of us dinner? You're doing a good job. Huh? Jocelyn is cooking us dinner. What are you cooking, Jocelyn? What's it called? Huh? Is it called stir fry? Looks yummy. What do you want? What are they called? I think they're called Flippies. You want one? Sissy, you want one?
Yeah.
Which one? Which one? Do this. Jocelyn, do this. Who you calling, Eli?
Hey guys, thanks for stopping by and watching our vlog this week. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you would like to follow us, and like this video if you liked it. Also, we have our Twitter and Instagram. Go follow us on those, and we will see you guys next week.